So guys, we are here for a small photo shoot with the lineup with the two GSs. So hello YouTube, I'm back with another vlog. I'm headed into the city right now. Let's see, maybe we'll meet up some friends, or else I'll just have a short spin and I'll be back home. So guys, thank you for showing all the love, support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the link to our channel page. It is around 5:40 in the evening. Yeah, 5:40, 5:38. 5:40 in the evening. It's a weekday. So let's see what happens and where are we headed to. So guys, I just wanna say last video के लिए thank you for such a good response. I know I've been inactive lately. I'm trying to be more and more active. देखते हैं कैसा है क्या है, because I'm trying to figure out YouTube and how the camera angle should be set. So it's gonna take time कि एक perfect camera angle मिले. I'm trying out many videos which I'm not even uploading. कि मतलब बहुत videos हैं which I'm even not uploading because of some glitch, some voice glitch. So वैसे there are many scenarios. It takes time. I just need your love and support so that you guys support me. So guys, just don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from me. Why do people stare at girls? I don't know why do they stare when someone wears a western. I mean, कब पढ़ेंगे क्या है? I don't know. She is going out with the family. When the family doesn't have a problem, why should the other people have problems? I don't understand that.
Meanwhile,
आज हो गया R15 वाला भाई, आज हो गया है. मतलब थोड़ा और चार्ज करके देखते हैं क्या होता है. और स्कूटी वाला भी चार्ज and he will be costing me about 565. 4, 3, 2, 1. See, as I told you. Hey, you right now. So guys, we are gonna meet someone. He has come from all the way from Mumbai or Calcutta, I don't know from where he is. So we are gonna meet him and let's see what happens next. So there's a Dominar with us, there's a Suzuki, and I don't know what other bikes are there. So guys, we are here for a small photo shoot with the lineup with the two GS's, 1250Gs. So let's see. We'll just click some photos and we are gonna move. So let's click some. Light off कर दे रहे. नहीं मैं और पास रखना चलेगा. So guys, here's the lineup. Go on, no. Yeah, 1 minute. So 1250 showing off. Guys, I've finished filling up. I just need a small stop near a shop, then I'm headed home. So guys, I'll end the vlog here. So if you have liked the cinematics and the photos, so please do like the photo, like the video, comment, share, subscribe. Okay guys, so this is Fastto signing off, and we'll be back with another vlog. Stay tuned and bye bye.